Oh, I'm Diana Brienne. Faith. What is faith? Well, miracles and faith. Faith is believing in what you cannot see, but you know to be true. And when we have faith, we are believing that God, the divine, the God of goodness, is with us, and that all things are being handled the way He feels that they should be handled, even when at times we don't understand, and maybe not will ever understand. But we have the faith that God is in control and that He's going to make all things work for our good and put all things together for our good. Have faith. If you need a miracle in your life, believe in miracles. Miracles are things that we as humans cannot do, that we have to rely on God to do. Yes, we are to set our lives up and make them wonderful and do everything to make everything good happen in our lives. And yet at the same time, there comes times when we need God to step in and make wonderful things happen for us. So have faith, believe in God, believe in Jesus, God, and the Holy Spirit, the God of goodness, and have faith and believe in miracles.